at the fitness center, a week starts from Tuesday and ends on Sunday. On each day of on each of the 6 days of a particular week, exactly 3 persons out of the 9 visited the fitness center, such that each person visited the fitness center at least one day of that week. There are exactly 4 persons who visited the fitness center on more than 2 days. On the basis of the given information, we can deduce that the total number of visits that were made by the 9% collectively on that day was 18, as on each day exactly 3% visited the fitness center. And last part of the mother statement states there are exactly 4 persons who visited the fitness center on more than 2 days. It means each of these 4 persons must have visited the fitness center on at least 3 days. So the total number of visit made by the 4 person who visited the fitness center on more than 2 days must have been at least 12. So out of the total 18 visits, at least 12 visits were made by exactly 4 persons, and remaining visits were made by the remaining 5 persons. After going the statements given in second and third, we can deduce that the persons who visited the fitness center on exactly one day were H, B, I, and J. Each of these 4 persons made exactly one visit to the fitness center during the given week. And from a statement, first states both D and E visited the fitness centers on 3 of the 4 days of the week, and statement fourth states C and E always visit the fitness center on the same day of the week. So from a statement first and fourth, it can be said that D, H, C, and F were the 4 persons who made at least 3 visits to the fitness center during the given week, and the last person A could not be the person who made at least 3 visits to the fitness center, because if A had done so, then exactly one out of C and F would have made at least 3 visits, which is practically not possible as per the statement fourth. So A must have made either exactly one visit or two, but not more than this. But D, H, C, and F, each of these 4 persons made at least 3 visits to the fitness center. So let's compile the information for the given visit. There were 6 days in the week, and the week started with Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It is given that D and E visited the fitness center on 3 of the 4 days of the week. So if they visited on exactly 3 of the first 4 days of the week, then, and one more thing also can be noted from statement fifth, none of the persons visited the fitness center on 3 consecutive days of the week. From here, it is obvious that These two persons must have visited together on the fourth day, that is Friday. And as none of these two persons visited the fitness centers on 3 consecutive days, it means they must have visited together on Thursday as well. And on either of these 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday, each of D and E must have made exactly one visit. And it is also known that C and F visited for at least 3 days and they always visited together. From here, it can be concluded that C and F together must have visited at least once on either Wednesday or Thursday. So, from here, it is obvious that D and E must not have visited together either on Wednesday or Thursday, as on at least one of these 2 days C and F visited together. And from statement second and third, it can also be concluded that A, B, and H visited the fitness center together, and this could not be possible either on Wednesday or Thursday, as on each of the 2 days, either the group of C and F visited the fitness center, or one person out of D and E visited the fitness center. So from here it is obvious that A, B, H must have visited the fitness center either on Saturday or on Sunday. So consider the first case when they visit the fitness center on Saturday. In that case, C and F must have visited on Sunday. They must have visited also on Thursday and Wednesday. Now out of remaining two, D and E, one person must have visited on Wednesday and the second person on Thursday. If D visited on Wednesday, then H must have visited on Thursday. Sorry, E must have visited on Thursday and vice versa. So consider the second case also. Now in the observation made earlier, we saw that A, B, H either could have visited or on Saturday or on Sunday. So let's consider second case when they visited on Sunday. In that case, CF must have visited on Saturday, Thursday, and Wednesday. And the case for D and E for Friday and Tuesday must have remained the same. So Wednesday either D could have visited or E. So similarly, two cases. As we know that I and J made exactly one visit during the given week. So out of the three remaining places, one on Thursday, second one on Friday, and third one on Sunday, two visits must have been made by I and J, and the third visit could have been made either by A or by D or E, but not by C or F, as they always visited together. So that's all about the arrangement of the visits made by the 9 persons during the given week. Now let's proceed to the questions. Which of the following persons visited the fitness center on exactly 3 days? Out of the given option, it is obvious C visited the fitness center on exactly 3 days, though F also visited the fitness center on exactly 3 days, but it is not given in the among the options, so our answer has to be option C. Let's move to the next question. If A did not visit the fitness center on Sunday and J visited the fitness center only on Friday, which of the following can be the day on which I visited the fitness center? Here it is given that A did not visit on Sunday. It means we have to consider the first two cases when A did not visit on Sunday, and it is also given that J visited on Friday, and we have to find the day on which I could have visited. So in the first two cases, on Tuesday, neither E or E could have visited. So on Tuesday, either A or I could have visited the center. In case A visited the center on Tuesday, then I must have visited center on Sunday, or in the second case when I visited center on Tuesday, then on Sunday either D or E must have visited the center, as A could not visit the center on Sunday. So I could have visited center either on Sunday or on Tuesday, and among the option only one day is given, which is Sunday. Therefore option D is our correct answer. Let's move to the next question. If E and I visited the fitness center on Sunday and Friday respectively, on which day did J visit the fitness center? E visited on Sunday and I visited on Friday. It means if A had to visit the center on Sunday, only the first two cases would have been possible. So here he visits center on Sunday and I visit the center on Friday. It means G must have visited center on Tuesday, because this is the only place where a place is vacant. So G must have visited the center on Tuesday, which is option A. Now come to the last question of this set. Which of the following can visit the fitness center on 4 days? As we have discussed, either E or D could have visited center on 4 days, not any other person. Out of these two, E is given among our options. So option D has to be our answer. So that's all for this set.